Not long ago, tourists came to Florida to see the famous orange groves. The Citrus Tower in Claremont allowed visitors to see miles of grove from the tallest observation point in Central Florida. In 1972, there were 105 packing houses in the state of Florida. More than 2,000 workers ran the world's largest citrus processing plant in Dade City. At a second plant a mile south, another 400 employees supplied drums of concentrate in bulk for distribution to chain stores. Today, the Florida citrus industry has changed drastically. In Dade City, an orange grove was recently bulldozed to make room for a new Publix supermarket. As a result of citrus greening, the juice business in Florida has lost $7.8 billion since 2006. The cost of maintaining groves has jumped to more than $2,200 per acre. Short-term solutions include using heat therapy to kill the insects responsible for citrus greening. For the 2002 season, 7.2 million citrus boxes were mechanically harvested in Florida. That dropped to 1.6 million in the 2013 season, a 92% reduction over an 11-year period. With the state's citrus production at a 30-year low, lowering harvesting costs is critical. Growers have been waiting for an innovation in mechanical harvesting technologies since the 1950s. Under our first patent, DF Harvestors has devised a Rotary-Head citrus harvester. This prototype is operated by hydroelectrical systems and joystick controls. Our machine is compatible with common equipment found in current commercial groves, including fruit tubs and bulk trailers. It can transform a typical grove goat into an all-new tool for harvesting. Under our new pending patent, filed this year, the prototype has been redesigned to mechanically harvest other citrus fruits, as well as apples and peaches. As a proof of concept, we modified a utility pole truck to test the RotaryHead with existing hydroelectrical systems and joystick controls. The primary benefit of our machine remains the same though. Chemicals are not needed to remove fruit from the trees. Our process does not require first loosening the fruit, a challenge faced by existing mechanical harvesting methods. The tree bark and leaf canopy are not damaged by our RotaryHead harvester, promoting fruit and tree health. There are also no yield losses from removing fruit before it has matured. Also, our machine reduces the soil contaminants inherent to manual labor by storing fruit directly into collection hoppers. Based on our early field test in Vero Beach, Florida, our harvester can save an estimated $4,000 in total labor cost per bulk trailer load. Our 6-foot RotaryHead can harvest approximately 800 pounds of fruit in a single load. A rear tubular dump side filters debris during unloading. Nearly 80% of all citrus harvested in Florida since 1957 was handled by a citrus loader that is manufactured by Peterson Industries in Lake Wales, Florida. Our production RotaryHead harvester will incorporate the Peterson loader and a steel chassis with a Navistar DT engine, a proven workhorse in medium-duty trucks, bus applications, and farm and construction equipment. DF Harvestors is eager to improve your grove operations with our RotaryHead technologies. We look forward to showing you how.